All right, team, listen up. We're busting an underground fighting ring tonight. It's a slick operation they've got. The leader's pulling about 100 fighters nightly. The last one standing wins. Their leader is named Cervantes. That's right. We finally got enough to know.
My little birds. My bonita.
It's about time, if I may say so, sir. We've been after him for a while. Any other intel we should know?
Negative. This is the same guy that we've been after for months. He's well armed and just has a few bodyguards. He's overconfident. He should give us the window that we need.
I'm gonna take that prick out myself.
Not quite. Word from the top says this is a snatch and grab. It's purely non-lethal.
Come on. Let's get him close.
Open up the gates. Let the blood flow. Gentlemen, place your bets. It does not matter to me who wins or loses. Speedy, Chacona. Yes!
Chacona!
Yes! Ah, Speedy! You are number one again. Oh, Chacona, looks like you lost your head. Oh, you bloodthirsty fools, you lose again.
This is crap!
Settle down, Horn. Save it for the mission.
No, I'm not gonna settle down. I'm not gonna save it for the mission. We've been after this son of a bitch for months now, right?
Dude, not now.
I'm telling you, I see that son of a bitch first, I'm taking him down.
You're gonna sit your ass down and shut the hell up, that's what you're gonna do. We're better than this. If we were in charge, we'd do things differently. But this is the way Thompson laid it out for us. Pull it together, people. Stack up. All right, what do we have?
We have 3, but no sign of Cervantes.
What do you mean? Where in the hell is he?
Search the room. Make sure he hasn't hidden anywhere.
No sign of Cervantes anywhere.
He couldn't have got far. Raymond, take front. Continue to search the house.
Freeze! Drop the cage and put your hands in the air.
I don't think so, Puerque. I'd rather die than be taken in alive by you, Chicanos.
Oh, we can arrange that.
Oh, you can? I think you're under orders, cop, to keep me alive. And if you shoot me, your cushy little world, it may as well come to an end.
Chill, Horn. He's right. We have to take him in.
You see, Pig? The customer? She's always right.
Shut it, prick. Horn, keep your weapon trained on him. Do not fire. Grinder, take the cage. And Raymond, prepare the flex cuffs for our perk.
Yes, the cage. Take my precious little pig.
Keep your eye on the target. Give me a sit rep.
Oh, can't see a thing, sir.
Delta Actual. This is Alpha 1, over.
Roger, Alpha 1. Delta Actual.
Sir, we managed to contain this branch of the operation, but the Tango leader is still at large. I repeat, the big canary is not in his cage. Over.
Traffic received, Alpha 1. Bring your boys home. Good work. We'll get him the next time. Delta Actual out.
Get him, I guess. Get him. Yes. Go. Yes. Go on, die.